Part 4, the U's. So the first U is very easy for you to pronounce. It's very similar to English. It's O, just a little bit longer sound. O, O. Now with the second one, before you try to say anything, I need you to make the shape correctly first. Do not try to shape the O sound. It's U. Can you feel my lips stretching to the side? Okay? Now let's try to practice with each word. We have the first normal U is gonna be chú, chú, bún, bún, lùn, lùn, bùn, bùn, cún, cún, hút, hút. Now let's practice with the U with the tail. Again, I need you to keep your mouth very, very stable for this one. Keep it stretching to the side. I do not want to see your lips moving forward. Okay? We have nhưng, nhưng, lưng, lưng, tư, tư, hư, hư, nhức, nhức, thức, thức, mít, mít. See that? I do not shape the U at all, okay? So the tip for you to say this one is that try not to shape the U shape. This is a very, very common mistake with my students, and I know that it's very difficult, but all you have to do is, if you spell it in your head, and then if you see that it's U with a hook, then you need to like start in your point with like that, okay? So normal U, very simple sound, O. U with a tail or U with a hook, Okay, let's practice. We have chú and tú. Listen to see which one I'm saying. Tú, tú. Which one is that? The first U or the U with a hook? It is second one. Very good. Next one we have is tú, tú. Listen. Tú, tú. It is the number U. Very good. The first U. Now let's try again. We have hút, 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 hút. Okay, which one am I saying? Hút, hút. It's the first one. Very good. Let's make it a little bit harder. Now I don't show you any words. I just say a random one. You guess U normal or U with a tail or with a hook. Okay, let's start. I have thứ, thứ. Yeah, it's the second one. Yeah. Cú, cú. Is the first one. Yeah, very good. And then we have bún. Bún is the first one. Now try one more. Cứng, cứng. Yeah, the second one. Okay, the last one we have is mừng, mừng. Which one is that? Look at my mouth. Mừng. It is? Yeah, the U with the tail, the second one. So the normal U is U and the U with the hook is U. One more time. U, U. Right. Thanks for listening. I hope you had a good time and I'll see you in the next lesson. Cảm ơn. Hẹn gặp lại.